Sergeant, weather message, National Weather Service Huntsville AL, 900 AM CST Wednesday, February 22, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Moore Lincoln, including the cities of Florence, Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Lynchburg, and Fayetteville. 900 AM CST Wednesday, February 22, 2023. Wind advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. CST this evening. Watt. South winds 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour, expected. Where? In Alabama, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison and Morgan counties. In Tennessee, Moore, and Lincoln counties. When? From 9 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. CST this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, tree limbs, and some small trees could be blown down, causing power outages. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, and